So I've got this water heater today. I'm going to remove the burner assembly. In this case I've got a 10 millimeter, 11 millimeter, and 19 millimeter. This cover's already off. I'm just going to take this inner cover. And there's the burner assembly. So we got the burner, so that's the main burner tube. The pilot, and then the thermocouple. Now this is, let's see, there's not a lot of strap in here. You got a steel burner assembly, this copper line, and then this should be an aluminum line for the pilot. So now I'm going to remove this gas valve to make sure the gas is off. Well, this one's already been removed, so it's definitely off. Let's take that out of there. Okay, now I've got a steel pipe, 1/2 inch steel pipe to thread in there. Of course, if you're actually going to remove this, you know, the water would need to be off. Of course, it's not connected. There we go. Alright, and there's a gas valve removed. So we got a little bit of brass and some aluminum, and we'll take that apart later.